Are you tired of struggling with poorly shaped Q-tips that ruin your game? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Hewson 3-in-1 Q-tip tool. Let's kick things off with the Hewson Snooker Pool Q-tip. Priced at just $8.99, this 3-in-1 tool caught my attention because it combines a scuffer, shaper, and aerator all in one sleek design. If you want a simple, effective tool to enhance your game, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The scuffer roughens up the tip's surface, allowing chalk to adhere better, which means cleaner hits. The shaper lets you contour your tip to your preferred dome curvature, ensuring you get the most control over your shots. Plus, the aerator helps the tip hold more chalk, giving you that extra grip. It works with Q-tips ranging from 9mm to 14mm and fits easily in your pocket, making it super convenient for on-the-go players. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though. While it might not be as heavy-duty as some pricier options, for the casual player or someone just starting out, it offers fantastic value without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable tool that gets the job done without any fuss. Skip this one if you're a professional player looking for top-tier performance or durability. Now, if the Hewson's potential fragility concerns you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Last Forever Dime Radius Tool. The Last Forever tip tool, which comes in at $22.49. What impressed me about this tool is its precise dime radius, making it a popular pick for players who want their Q-tips shaped perfectly every time. If achieving a professional level playing experience is your goal, this tool is definitely worth a serious look. The Last Forever tool enhances your cue's performance by ensuring your tip maintains an ideal shape for better ball control. When your Q-tip is perfectly shaped, you'll notice a difference in your shots because it helps you achieve more consistent hits. With over 300 purchases in the past month, it's clear that players are finding value here. Plus, it's compact enough to carry around so you can keep your cue in prime condition no matter where you are. Now, some reviews mentioned that it might take a bit of practice to get the hang of using it. I'll be real with you. While there's a learning curve, the results are worth it, and once you've mastered it, you'll wonder how you ever played without it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about improving your game and want something that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, no-fuss tool. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need versatility. Product number 3, Adafera 3-in-1 Q-tip Shaper. Coming in at $9.59, the Adafera Q-tip Shaper is a nifty little tool that offers 3 functions: aerator, scuff, and topper. What caught my eye was the fact that it's designed to help not just new Q-tips, but also to revive your old ones. If you're looking to breathe new life into your cue, this one's worth a serious look. The aerator function is specifically designed to stab the soft tip for better chalk adhesion, while the topper scrapes the tip, enhancing its ability to hold chalk. The scuff function quickly creates that perfect dome arc you're after. For any player, this means better shots and an overall improved game experience. Plus, at a pocket-friendly size, it's easy to carry around. However, some users mentioned that the material could feel a bit less premium than expected. Here's the thing though, despite that, it performs well for its price point, making it an excellent choice for casual players or those just starting out. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact tool that does it all. Skip this one if you want something with a more premium feel. Now, if you're looking for a more comprehensive kit, the next product might surprise you. Product number 4, WII-LGN 10-in-1 Pool Cue Tip Shaper. We have the Wheel 10-in-1 Billiards Pool Cue Tip Shaper priced at $25.98. This isn't just a shaper, it's a full-on replacement kit with 10 different functions. What I found impressive is its versatility. If you want everything in one package, this is worth a serious look. With high-quality ABS material and stainless steel components, this kit promises durability, something every player needs. Having 10 functions means you can replace and shape your Q-tips easily, which is a big deal when you're serious about your game. The various tools included, like replacement blades and scissors, make it a comprehensive solution for Q maintenance. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. That said, some might find it a bit overwhelming with all the options. Here's my take. While it may seem complex, the included manual is helpful, and once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate having all these tools at your fingertips. This is perfect for you if you're a billiard enthusiast who wants to keep your Q-tips in top shape all the time. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, straightforward tool. Now, if you want something more portable and straightforward, stick around for the last product. Product number 5, Billiard Dime Radius Shaper. We have the Billiard Pool Q-Tip Shaper, priced at $9.39. This tool is designed for precision, promising to reshape your Q-tip to the perfect dime radius of 0.358 inches every time. If you want something reliable and easy to use, this is worth checking out. The Billiard features a carbon-brazed steel grit interior, ensuring a long lifespan, which is essential for any player looking for consistency in their game. Its gauge design helps you measure the perfect tip shape, so you know when you're achieving that ideal radius. Plus, at 1.5 inches in diameter, you can easily carry it on your keychain, making it super convenient for on-the-go adjustments. Now, some users pointed out that it might take time to learn the correct technique. I get it, but once you nail it, you'll find yourself quickly reshaping your tips with confidence and ease. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable, precise tool that ensures perfect shaping every time. Skip this one if you need something multifunctional or more complex. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap it up. To recap, we've looked at the Huisson 3-in-1 tool, the Last Forever Dime Radius tool, the Atafera Q-Tip Shaper, the Wheelgin 10-in-1 kit, and the Billiard Dime Radius Shaper. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wheelgin kit because it offers comprehensive solutions for all your Q maintenance needs. Avoid the Atafera if you're after premium materials, as it may not meet your expectations.